Ladies and gentlemen, keep a lookout right ahead. Shortly, we'll approach the Dorniers in a diamond formation.
Dornier's call sign kites are led by Commander Abhinav Handa, Commanding Officer of Indian Naval Air Squadron 311.
भारतीय नौसेना का डॉनियर समुद्र और आसमान में सुरक्षा का एक अटूट प्रहरी है। यह विमान समुद्री क्षेत्र की निगरानी, खोज और बचाव अभियानों तथा तटीय सुरक्षा के लिए विशेष रूप से तैयार किया गया है। आ रहे हैं सटीक उड़ान का शानदार प्रदर्शन डायमंड फॉर्मेशन में डॉनियर्स।
Ladies and gentlemen, look ahead. We can see the 3 Coast Guard Dornier patrol aircraft in an arrow formation, led by Commandant A. Rashim Kalingal.
भारतीय तटरक्षक के मैरीटाइम रिकनेंसेस डॉनियर जहाज किसी भी आपदा में सबसे पहले पहुंचते हैं। तटरक्षक के आदर्श वाक्य वयम रक्षामः को सार्थक करते हुए आ रहे हैं तीराकार फॉर्मेशन में सीजी डॉनियर्स।
Approaching shortly is the French Navy's Atlantique II, a long-range maritime patrol and reconnaissance aircraft piloted by Lieutenant Matthew Jeffrey. Today, her presence here reflects the strong maritime partnership between India and France.
यह विमान लंबी दूरी तक समुद्र में विमानों और जहाजों की गतिविधियों की निगरानी करने में सक्षम है और इस विमान की उपस्थिति दोनों देशों की नौसेनाओं के खनिज संबंधों का प्रतीक।
Up next is Indian Navy's latest maritime patrol aircraft, the PATI Poseidon from Indian Naval Air Squadron 312, the Sky Lions, commanded by Captain Akshay Raja. These sophisticated platforms are the frontline anti-submarine patrol aircraft in the Indian Navy today.
देवी और सज्जनों, पीएटाई के संचालन से भारतीय नौसेना की क्षमता में मजबूती आई है और यह देश की सुरक्षा और समृद्धि का प्रतीक बन गया है। रफ्तार भी, रेंज भी, पीएटाई है तैयार अभी।
Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes peeled to the skies lest you miss it. The Hawks will zoom past at speeds in excess of 400 kilometers an hour. Ladies and gentlemen, here come the 7 Hawks in an arrowhead formation, led by Captain V.A. Latif, Commanding Officer, Indian Naval Air Squadron 551, the Phantoms. Ladies and gentlemen, keep a lookout for the grand finale, for 5 Black Panthers will approach shortly. And here come the 7 MiG-29K fighter aircraft that operate from Indian naval ship Vikrant, the Black Panthers, led by Captain Abhishek Gawande.
Ladies and gentlemen, the flypast may be over, but on our right, we can see again the floating airfield Indian naval ship Vikrant. INS Vikrant, the nation's first indigenously built aircraft carrier, was named after her illustrious predecessor that served during the 1971 war. The new Vikrant stands as a living symbol of India's march towards complete technological independence.
Over 76% of the ship's components, from hull steel and cabling to pumps and valves, are sourced from Indian industries. The design came from the Indian Navy's Warship Design Bureau. India is now among the 6 nations in the world that have the ability to construct both aircraft carriers and nuclear submarines. INS Vikrant is more than just a warship. It is a declaration of India's confidence, skill, and sovereignty.